Hello everyone, welcome to episode 10 of River Thames Nature Diary. My name is Priya and it's great that you're here. We've had some hot weather in London and this has been followed by some windy weather. And as you can see on the river, we've got an onshore breeze. But first, let's talk about the theme of this week's episode, which I guess is going to be around the difficulties of parenting by the river. We are going to spend a little bit of time with the Swan and Cygnet, and then we're going to go off and see the Canada Geese family and their 3 goslings. Whenever I see swans and their cygnets, I'm always captivated by the magnificent nature of these creatures. There is something incredibly cute about the tiny cygnets against these great big, large swans. But running under the wings of such a large swan can obviously be quite dangerous for the cygnet. And I can't help but worry that one day an accident will take place, and that is exactly what happened now. And while everything did turn out okay in the end, I just wanted to put this warning up on the screen. As soon as I saw what was happening, I dropped the camera and I rushed over to see if the cygnet needed any help, but the mother had moved off of her pretty quickly and the cygnet rebounded and moments later seemed a little bit dazed but absolutely fine. I also hung around for a little while and watched the Swan and Cygnet, and like I say, I think they were both fine. It was probably more my nerves that were a little bit raw after witnessing that. I decided to call it a day and head back home and return the next day to check up on the Swan and Cygnet, and luckily I was able to find them and they both were absolutely fine. But now, on with our walk, and it was a busy summer's day by the river. There was a lot of people out enjoying themselves. And I was glad to see the Canada Geese family with their 3 goslings, one adopted, on the shore of the river. But it wasn't long before this family met its own parenting challenge, when a dog that was being walked by the river decided to join them for a swim. But as you can see, the dad goose was able to see this dog off with just a series of rather loud aggressive honks. And while the goslings seemed to be quite chilled out after the incident, the dad goose was keeping a rather watchful eye out for any other dogs on the river. And after all of that excitement, I was really happy to see my dear friend Honk Honk. Though, truth be told, he's never that far away from me when I'm filming, keeping a watchful eye out, and hoping that I have some seeds for him. Well, that's all for this week. thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Goodbye.